Hello, welcome to MailEditor. In this tutorial, I'll talk about MailChimp integration. What MailChimp integration will do with MailEditor. Number 1, you can export the template in one click on your MailChimp account. Number 2, you can add the merge text or synchronize the merge tags from your MailChimp account with your template. And the third one is you can synchronize the images from MailChimp Content Studio to your email template directly. Let's see how it works. Click on Export. Select the MailChimp. If you have MailChimp connected, you will see it like this, and if you click on it, then you can export as new or replace the existing file. This will be directly imported on your account. Otherwise, if you have no account connected, then you can add a new account like this. It will take you to the authorization page where you can authorize and log in. After allowing the access, the template will be exported directly to your MailChimp account. If you check it on MailChimp, you will see it under the template menu. The second one is the merge tag. You may have custom merge tags in your MailChimp account that you can insert from here. Merge tags here, we have already MailChimp icon connected, so we can see the custom merge text here. Just click, and it will be inserted like this. And third is you can synchronize your images from your MailChimp content library to your template. To do that, you can go here and click on Upload from ESP. Select the service provider. Here's its MailChimp and the account I just bind with test. I'm just showing you by inserting any image from here. So this is inserted. This is coming directly from your MailChimp account to your template. That's it for today. We'll see you in another video.